Hello, I'm Scott Gannon, and I'm here to tell you about one of my favorite events in the whole calendar year, Christmas in the Park. Christmas in the Park will once again be held right here at the Kenneth W. Parker Amphitheater in Port Orange on December 4th. Christmas in the Park started in 2003 as a gift from the area churches to the city of Port Orange. That first year, 18 churches came together and hundreds of people joined us in the amphitheater behind us as we sang Christmas carols and told of the story that started Christmas. Since that first year, it's grown to include the Port Orange tree lighting ceremony, started sponsoring a local nonprofit organization every year. We've added live band music. We've even purchased snow machines that will make it snow in the city of Port Orange. Now it's time for you to get involved. Come and sing with us in the 2010 Christmas in the Park Choir. Our rehearsals are designed to be few, short, and fun. They're Monday nights from 7 to 8:30, starting with the first Monday night in November, which is November 1st. And they're right here in the Lakeside Community Center. I refer to our first rehearsal as the first Christmas party of the year. Everyone brings a covered dish, and we also pass out the music, sing Christmas carols, and give you your rehearsal CDs. To sign up, simply log on to the address at the bottom of the screen, and that'll allow us to go ahead and order your t-shirt and reserve your seat on the platform. After that, just simply show up here at the Lakeside Community Center for our first orientation and first rehearsal combination. Thanks for considering giving of yourself this holiday season with Christmas in the Park 2010. I look forward to seeing you there.